Since I've been taking Tai Chi, I really have been enjoying myself, and I met quite a few beautiful people, and especially these two girls here.
Well, the feeling is
Same
mutual.
here.
And I
Absolutely.
enjoy coming, look like it gives me a little extra pep.
All right.
Some days when I get up, I feel like blah. But after I take my shower and start getting dressed, I feel great.
Yeah, that,
Then when I go to the bus stop is right by where I live, right on the outside of the gate. And it'd be a little dark, but the street light is there, so I look in and I start doing my little exercises that Mrs. Bouvier taught us.
Well, that's great.
Yeah. And
it makes a
like this one,
difference.
yeah. And then when I get there, I'm raring to go.
Well, actually, you begin before you even get to Aventura.
Yeah, I started thinking about now. What is that step I was supposed to practice on? Because sometimes I might forget, and then I'll try to brush up that morning, on what I'm supposed to remember to do when I go back to class.
I remember once, about after having gone to Tai Chi for like a year and a half, one morning when we got there, I was explaining to Dr. Danielle that I had this thing in my neck. It wasn't really a crook, but it was really annoying. And knowing Dr. Danielle, she always have a method for everything.
True.
And she said to me, she says, first she asked me if I can touch you.
Mm-hmm.
And I told her yes, and I showed her where the pain was. And she touched the exact place. And it was so much energy from her hand to where my neck was hurting. So in Tai Chi, we know that it's not in what you say, but in what you do.
Really, all of the things that we do, but the special one for me is being positive. And I like saying, I feel good, because sometimes we don't feel so good.
Yes,
But you say it, and it just helps a lot, and you do get energy.
Yes.
I was surprised when we were holding the hands and how you could feel the energy. You could actually feel that work. So it's a wonderful, wonderful exercise.
Exactly. And you know
I'm
what?
so glad we found her.
Oh, yeah.
And she found us.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And you know what? I feel good.
I feel
I feel
good.
good.